About to open a store. We'll be using Ozone, would like a parallel dosing system for soap. Can Ozone washes also add soap? Which dosing, well, we could we use? So yeah, I guess asking about dosing systems and Ozone, can they also add soap to that? If I'm reading this question correctly. Does that make
I don't
sense?
operate any dosing
Okay,
systems for soap.
okay.
I did short term, and one of my I have a drive through only drop off, and so I put in new Continentals about a year and a half ago, and it has a dosing system in it. I ended up abandoning it just because it was just bigger pain in the neck. But anyway, it had
Okay.
ozone, so the ozone just goes directly to the water system. And so I will say, when I was able to use less soap because the ozone would make more
Right.
bubbles. So the dosing, so it did work for that point of it. I personally wasn't a fan of the dosing. And
Okay.
but anyway, but it can all work together, no problem, because ozone's directly injected into the water.